Y'all, I just realized my hair needs more TLC than the pop group. Thankfully, I have hydration oil by Manhattan Gray. I just need to grab my favorite hair tie and part my hair. Then I get to do my favorite part, which is the droplets. It smells so good, and as soon as I put it on my hair, I can tell immediately my hair is saying thank you. I love how the product is vegan, so I feel like I can put the product on my skin and I don't have to worry about breakouts. And the nice thing about it is, as soon as I'm done, I can just rub it on my hands, and I feel like I have a little moisturization there too. You know, my hair is so dry, I can barely get the hair tie out. I really, really need this hydration. And the pomade, oh, this is probably my favorite part. I just love how it keeps my flyaways from flying away. And it smells so good. You know, you gotta do a little happy dance. So I just put a little bit, comb it through, massage my scalp a little bit more. Y'all hear my hair saying thank you? My eyes definitely did. I'm almost ready to go. I feel fresh and maintained. I feel like my hair is under control. Manhattan Gray, thank you so much for making such an amazing product.